Hey everyone, my name is Adel Badewale, a trained biochemist and mathematics and chemistry coach. I'm here to release a short video on this YouTube channel, of which I will expect you, as many as that are preparing for the WAEC and UTME. This channel is for you. I've tried to realize and make my findings amidst the students of they are complaining about the subject chemistry, and of which this channel has been created in order to simplify chemistry for the intending students that want to write WAEC and UTME. And to start with, we'd like to start with UTME. What is expected of every intending chemistry student that is preparing for this incoming chemistry? And what are the topics of which expected? 18 topics has been derived from the O-level textbooks in order to prepare the students for this forthcoming UTME. And what are these topics of which the UTME body expects the students to know before the day of their exam? I'm going to read it out, and it will be a privilege and an opportunity for all students to go ahead and prepare through this topic. Although we are still going to be teaching this topic on this channel, and that is why you have to stay tuned on this channel. Now, the first topic expected of them is the separation of mixture and purification of chemical substances, where students are expected to know more about pure and impure substances, the boiling point and the melting point, which is the test for purity. They are expected also to know the elements, compounds, mixture, the chemical change, and physical change. Just we know that chemistry is a science subject which basically has its subject matter as matter. That is, its study matters, the nature, the properties, and changes also it undergoes. And under this as well, they are expected to know the different separating techniques. That's topic one. Topic two, chemical combination, the law of chemical combinations, and the various chemical combination we have, ranging from electrovalent or ionic bond to metallic bond. In topic three is kinetic theory of matter and gases, where students are expected to fully prepare and have the broad understandings of the kinetic theory, extending also to gas law, but the Boyle's law, Gay-Lussac's law, the Avogadro's law of hypothesis, and the likes. And the fourth topic is atomic structures and bonding, where students are expected to know much works about the great discoveries of John Dalton, Millikan, Rutherford, Mussels, Thomson, and so on and so forth. They are expected also to know under this the atomic structure, electronic configuration, atomic numbers, and the shapes of the orbitals, of which students are expected to have an extensive knowledge of the periodic table and also periodicity with the variation in their properties, in these following properties. And students are expected also to know the topic 5, that is air, the natural gaseous constituents and their proportions in air. They are expected to know the constituents of air and water as the sixth topic. They are to know everything on water, water as the natural, as the universal solvent, and the composition also of water are expected, the treatment of waters and the likes, solubility calculations they are expected to know, and the different types also of solutions under the solubility is expected of the student to know, have an adequate knowledge of this. Environmental pollutions, I'll just quickly rush through it. They are to know also acid, base, and salts. You know, it's a little bit broad topic, and they are expected to know this oxidation and reduction, electrolysis, energy changes, rates of chemical reaction, chemical equilibrium, non-metals and their compounds, as metals and their compounds. And the 17th topic is organic compounds. The last of the topics is the chemistry and industry. And with all these topics aforementioned, I would like to recommend the following textbooks for students to prepare ahead of time. The New School Chemistry for Secondary School, written by Ababio O.Y., and Understanding Chemistry by Ojoku Ho. These textbooks are good for students preparing, that are preparing for UTM, and I would as well also like them if they can work on their series and their landlord. And I still want to encourage all my viewers to make sure and ensure that they subscribe to this YouTube channel, as we are going to be giving classes as regards all these topics in order to fully prepare the students for this forthcoming exam. And I hope and I believe that if student can thoroughly and be commitment to this channel, I assure you of 100 in chemistry. Thank you very much, and I would like you to subscribe. Not only subscribe to this channel, subscribe and make sure you share the link with your friends. Thank you.